Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix AGLUCKY Countertop ice maker not working. If you want to fix the issue, then you have few options to consider. The first option is power off the ice maker. Unplug the ice maker from the power outlet. Leave it unplugged for about 10 to 15 minutes to ensure a complete reset. The second option is to check the water level. Ensure the water reservoir is filled to the appropriate level. If the water level is too low, the machine may not operate correctly. The third option is to inspect for blockages. Check the ice tray and water line for any blockages, such as ice clumps or debris. Clear any obstructions before restarting. And in the last, clean the machine. Wipe down the inside of the ice maker with soft damp cloth. Use a vinegar water solution to descale the machine if it has not been cleaned in a while. Rinse thoroughly after clothing. So these are the options you need to consider if you want to resolve your problem. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.